Hello DR Maker family, we are absent, we are sad, because people have been damaged after two major earthquakes in Turkey, and people need serious help to heal the wounds. As DR Maker family, we provide assistance to the earthquake zone. This product, this surface system was created for you, and we will donate some of the proceeds. We look forward to your contributions. Please donate. Pray for Turkey. We offer this product at the best price for this campaign. Our stocks are limited to 10 pieces. Check out ad for details. Thanks guys, let's get the montage. We have the arm. I will not send this arm to you. You will create it yourself, because there is a demand for a very special different size, and we will not include this arm in order to send it faster. Since we will not include it in the product price, it will be a more economical price. Dash kit can be needed to person it change. Finally, the surface system is ready. Let's see in the belt grinder. Let's down your thoughts. It's important for us. Let's comment below.